Hello?
Hey, sir, are you in this black Jeep?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm pulling in right now.
All right.
All right, bye.
I just got off the phone with her. She's not home. She said she was in Florida.
She's not in Florida, man. That's a lie.
So I have to go off. I mean, I can't break down the door.
She's definitely not in Florida.
Nobody came to the door. The lights were off. So there's not much that I can do about that.
And it's sad. This is like she do this all the time, man. Like, I'm missing so much time with my little girl. My little girl has a good time when she with me. Then when she go, and then she keep her away from me. Then my daughter is like, she's just totally different.
Yeah.
She's saying bad stuff about me to my little girl, and it's just a lot of weird stuff she keep doing.
She said, and obviously, I asked her to send me her copy, which it was the signed one, and it was the same exact one that you said, or that you sent me, just was signed. And I told her, I was like, look, it's the third weekend. She said, well, last weekend was his weekend and he was a no-show. And I said, no, based on what I'm looking at, it's the third weekend.
She sends stuff from the parenting app to bloggers to talk about. It was one day I was calling the phone, like the parenting app. I'll show you what the parenting app looks like. You ever seen a parenting app?
I've not.
You make phone calls from this, like, this is the only way I contact them. So one day I'm sitting here calling it, but it's not going through. It's like it's just spinning like it's not going through. So it ended up showing 30-something missed calls. She sent it to a blogger and made it seem like I was harassing her. 30-something, it shows 30-something missed calls on her end, but on my end, it looked like it wasn't even going through. So this is the narrative that she puts on social media. That's how I know she's still here, because she posted earlier today getting her hair done right here in Georgia. So I know she's not in Florida. You ever heard of the Amber Heard Johnny Depp situation?
Yeah.
She did the same thing to me.
I don't have anything to really go off of, anything further. Like, she didn't answer the phone, or she answered the phone, but didn't look like there was anybody home. Nobody came to the door or anything like that. Obviously I can't just go in, so what do you want to do from here?
What else can I do?
I mean, I can give you this event number, because it'll be documented. I'll just say, it'll basically just say that she said that she was in Florida. You said that she's not in Florida, but I was not able to make contact with her. So my information's here. Officer Omancy, badge number 52. You can call this number. Today's Friday. I would probably call Wednesday and see if they can email you a copy of this report. Just give them that case number, okay?
What else did you notice about that? When you looked at that paperwork, what else did you notice?
What do you mean?
First right to refusal. Even if it wasn't my weekend, her traveling and going out the state and not telling me that my daughter is going somewhere, that's what I'm saying. She just commits so many different violations.
Yeah. So I'm gonna document everything that was said tonight. You can use the report. It'll be available to her too. Everything's, basically public record. Okay. Do you have any questions or need anything else?
Nah, that's it.
All right.
Just send a prayer upstairs for me. That's about it, man.
Well, I mean, hopefully, everything usually comes to a conclusion at some point. But, if there's a way to prove that she's here, talk to your lawyer. I'm sure you have one, and get it taken care of through all your proceedings. Because she said there's, I guess, another court date coming up or something like that. I'm not really sure.
It's a hearing.
She kind of hung up on me, so.
Yeah, they ain't even set a date for the hearing yet, but.
All right. Well, if you have any questions, you can call the number on there, or call the number that you called earlier, and we'll help where we can. But like I said, we're limited in what we can and can't do anyway. So,
yeah.
Same as everybody else. All right.
All right, man. Appreciate
Take care.
it. Hey guys, every time I have to go get my little girl, if y'all don't see me with her, this be what be happening right here every time. Gotta go through all this red tape. Every time. Fellas, don't let that stuff stop you from not being in your kid's life, man. Fight and try to get custody. Document everything just like I'm documenting everything, man, and it's gonna play out in your favor, man. Real father game, man. I'm out, man. Y'all be easy, bro.